Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoins just went on a massive rally. And now the question is, what happens next? Well, in this video, I'll be answering that question by hopping into the price charts and going over the most important levels on the chart to have on your radar. This video will be critical if you are a crypto trader, and it will still be insanely valuable even if you just passively invest into cryptocurrency. So be sure to stick with me until the very end. And also, if you're brand new to Crypto Empire, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below, and of course, turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. Looking at the Bitcoin price chart, BTC broke a very important resistance level last night, right here at $20,750. When price is above this level, things can remain bullish, and there is room to run higher here for Bitcoin. Price rebounded very well off of the lows down here at 18,500. A lot of people were not sure what was going to happen here. The market was in a very interesting spot where it felt like it wanted to go lower, but things were extremely oversold. So it was due for a bounce, and this was also a very key support level down here below $19,000, as we can see right here at around 18,700 to 18,500. These lows did hold, and below that, the only support level was down here at 17,500. So we did get a very nice bounce from the lows so far of around 13%. Now, it's important not to FOMO here, right? Because we're still in a macro bear market, and I do think over the coming months we will breach this low down here below 17,500. But for the time being, we need to capitalize on what the market is providing us with, especially with these shorter term trading setups. Now, personally, I'm not trading Bitcoin. I'm trading Ethereum and altcoins. I'll get into that in just 1 second, so be sure to stick with me until the end of the video. Now, for Bitcoin, I do think it is possible for the price to reach the previous top of the range, which is going to be around here, as we can see on the daily chart, at $21,800 to around $22,100. This is the previous range high, and this is a very important resistance level on the price chart. So that means Bitcoin, it's not that far away, but from current price, Bitcoin can run another 3 to around 5%, which would give room for a lot of the altcoins to continue higher. And we could be at the start of a little bit of a relief rally here. I would expect at least a pullback at these levels. So this is in the immediate short term to look out for on Bitcoin. It's important to keep in mind there are a ton of events happening in September as well, such as, of course, the Ethereum Merge now happening in just 4 days and 7 hours. And also on September 15th, we have a very big day with a lot of Federal Reserve statements and announcements. So we have to be on watch, on guard, because it will be volatile with all of these events. Now, speaking about Ethereum and the merge coming up, Ethereum is performing very well today with price. As we can see here, I did actually take a long on Ethereum yesterday around the $1,620 level. We can see here in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord, this trade was posted yesterday at 10 a.m. talking about how Ethereum was forming a beautiful bull flag, and we had a very nice risk reward of 3.5 to 1 for this trade. We went ahead and took our entry below $1,630 with our take profit at $1,725. Now, this trade was a massive success. We can see here in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord success tab, all of the members posting their success here. We can see we have some members crushing it with margin, myself here, some other members as well here, crushing it over 100% gains, also called Adam. We'll look at that in a second. So we are crushing it inside of the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. If you are interested in learning more about how to join, I suggest you hit the link down in the description below. It will take you to the official Crypto Empire website, cryptoempirecode.io, where you can find all the details about joining the Discord. Now, Ethereum hit that profit target right to resistance like a magnet here at $1,725. There is room for ETH to continue higher here as well, but at this point, I'm fully out of this trade. Right on to the next opportunity. But for Ethereum right now, if we can actually get above this 1725 level, there is room to get back up here towards 1800. and possibly even 2K at the top of the previous rally here. But we have to take it one level at a time. And right now, the next key level above this resistance at 1725 is going to be right around $1,800 here. You can see in this green zone, this was a previous demand zone. Most certainly can be outlined as a supply level now just here above $1,800. Now, yesterday I made a video about Elron, EGLD. Elron went ahead and it flipped a very key support resistance flip. Yesterday it was resistance, flipped it now to support over here at $51.50. As you can see, I did go ahead and long this one as well, and it did go ahead and pay off very nicely. All right, so that's Elron EGLD right now facing this resistance from this trend line. If I go to the daily price chart, this is why it's very important to always leave your trend lines on the chart, because they do come back into play in the future. As you can see, EGLD used this trend line as support on its entire way up. Now on its most recent rally, it's using that same trend line that was previous support as resistance, all right? But I do think EGLD has the strength in it, has the gusto to push up towards at least this next level over here, and that's going to come into play around $57.50. Again, I use these green and red shaded boxes as ways to outline my key zones on the chart, whether that's a supply zone or a demand zone. These green and red boxes that you see in my charts all the time are there for a reason. They are very key support resistance levels. So for EGLD, if it can actually get back above 54 over here, it can make a run towards 57, but at this point all risk is removed from this trade. You move the stop loss up to break even and you take partial profit here at the first target. Now there's also Cosmos. Atom went on an absolute tear over here, right? Atom is the strongest coin in the market. We can see right here again in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord how I did lay out this Atom trade for everybody inside of the group, saying how Atom has the potential to go ahead and touch $17 if this was indeed a real breakout. Stop loss just below the daily candle yesterday. And we can see that Atom went ahead and went parabolic. And it did indeed go ahead and touch that $17 level. We can see again in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord how traders went ahead and they took this Atom trade and they capitalized massively, right? We're seeing triple digit gains from members from this Atom trade. Again, link is in the description down below if you want to join the Discord. But Atom, again, it can even go higher here. It can reach $20 plus if this rally does continue, right? Our next major level on the Atom chart is around $20. So if you're long any alts right now from yesterday morning, you at least want to remove your risk by moving the stop up to break even by the minimum. And you should also consider taking at least partial profits, leaving a portion of your position open as well to capture those real big winners as a trader. Again, if you're trading, the biggest thing is, of course, just eliminate that large loss from your trading. Only ever realize big wins, and small losses. When you eliminate that large loss, you will be making money. It's really that simple. Now also, we have some other altcoins. I have my eyes on Cardano with the hard fork coming up on the 22nd of September. Cardano has been in this sideways range for around 4 months. We can see here, this has been going for 120 days. Cardano has been going sideways. I am interested because this is what happens in a bear market. Prices base and they go sideways for a prolonged period of time, and then they eventually break out of the range and a new bull market does form. So Cardano could most definitely drop lower here, but this long basing pattern here does have me intrigued because FOMO could set in. I don't think that the end of the bear market is here, but we could go on a little bit of a rally. FOMO could set in, and we could see ADA go on a little bit of a run. So I'm watching Cardano, not in any positions, and also reserve rights RSR. I'll be making a full update video about this one. But again, if we look at this weekly chart on RSR, this thing has been going sideways basing for, again, 120 days, just like Cardano ADA. Right, so another one that I have on my radar, I am continuing to accumulate this one. This thing is 0.006 cents. All-time high is up here at around 11 cents, almost 12 cents. Right, so even just back to the all-time high from current price, we are looking at a gain of around 1,500%, and I do think that RSR could go ahead and definitely make new all-time highs with the fundamentals and the speculation of this project. So keep your eyes on reserve rights RSR. Again, I'll be making a full update video about the project. but have it on your radar. I'm continuing to accumulate this one spot, just growing a massive bag of reserve rights for that next bull market. Now, some other trades that I am in, called these in the Discord yesterday. They are currently in profit right now. One of them is Kyber Network, KNC. We can take a look at KNC right now on the price charts, and we can see that we went ahead and we entered long. We had this massive resistance level on the daily. It's pretty obvious price trying to punch through it, kept on getting rejected, but each time that price tries to break through that resistance level, the closer it actually is to going ahead and breaking it. And this level goes way back to all the way down here in August of 2020 during that DeFi summer. So KNC trying to break out, and is indeed breaking out. Took the entry last night at 177. As we can see here in the trading call, entry 177-ish. And we are now in a profit right now, riding this one up higher. All right, so that's a little short-term trade. And then another one as well on KAVA. KAVA also breaking out. As you can see, this trade again called in the Discord last night. Entry at around 166. And here we are at 172. So slightly in a profit. I will look to remove risk as soon as possible by moving the stop loss to break even. But I need this to go up a little more in order for me to go ahead and remove that risk from the trade. But this is the market right now. We have a ton of fundamental events at play, whether that's the ETH Merge, a ton of Federal Reserve releases and announcements. We have the Cardano hard fork on September 22nd. A lot is going on right now. People are very emotional about the crypto prices, right? Everybody thinks it's the bear market. We've been in this bear market for a long time now, coming up on 1 year since last November. When we see these large swings in prices, people get emotional either because they missed out or they made money, so they get very happy. So you need to keep your emotions at bay during these times and stick with your longer term macro plan. I use my short term trading to just add to my longer term bags. All right, I don't get emotional over the short term stuff because I know where everything is going over the macro. Over the macro, we expect Bitcoin to hit $100,000. We expect ETH to hit $10,000 plus. So there's nothing to worry about right now. Stick to the plan. Stick to the long-term horizon with cryptocurrency. This is not get rich quick. This is get rich for sure. So put all of your emotions aside, put your fear of missing out and your greed aside, and stick to the plan. Just keep on buying the coins that you like. All right, find the altcoins. I make a lot of videos on the channel on the altcoins that I am shopping this bear market. So again, if you're brand new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos when I'm talking about the coins that have the potential to explode. You don't want to miss that. Now again, with Bitcoin, there is room to run a little bit higher here to the high 21s to the low $22,000 region, right? This is going to give room for altcoins to push up a little bit higher as well. I'll show you one more before we wrap up the video. We have Curve CRV over here, and if I go to the daily price chart, this is at the top of a major price range. As you can see here from my parallel bars, from $1.24 down to 98 cents, CRV has been trading in this massive consolidation, going up and down, bouncing from support to resistance. Price going ahead and is trying to break out above the range today. If this can actually break out, listen, this thing can run. The top of the consolidation is over here from $1.40 to $1.50. And this thing has the potential to get all the way up here to around 188, 190. Okay, this is where I would put the real breakout price target from current prices at 121. So for anybody looking for a potential trade, this is not financial advice, but I will be looking for something like this, stop beneath mid-range here below this daily. And again, you take your first target over here at around 143, but really you're looking for the move up to around 188. That is CRV, not financial advice, but I like the way this setup looks. Let's watch and see what happens this weekend. It is currently Friday. If we do get a pullback this weekend, I'm going to be looking to add to my long trades. I'm already in a few right now. I'm not looking to add any more risk as it does stand. But again, if we do get a pullback this weekend, I'll be looking to add to my longs. And with that being said, it is time to go ahead and start wrapping up this video. If you are looking for a crypto exchange to do your trading on, whether you want to trade spot or leverage, I highly recommend that you check out Bitget. Link is down in the description below to sign up. And when you do use my link, you get a ton of bonuses, up to $4,000 in bonuses and deposit bonuses. And right now, Bitget has no spot trading fees. So that means you can buy coins like RSR. I just made a huge RSR purchase yesterday. You can buy coins like RSR spot and pay 0 fees. So again, check out Bitget, link is down in the description below. In this video, we went over the current state of the crypto market as well as trade opportunities to look out for. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoins are all on a little bit of a rally right now. We'll see if that can sustain through the weekend. We do have a huge week next week with the merge and a ton of other macro fundamental events. Anyways, I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by leaving a like down below. And if you're brand new to Crypto Empire, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.